The Compressor Hood Jacket from Mountain Equipment gives you rugged insulation that's both packable and durable. The body uses 60 grams of Primaloft 1 on the front and rear, and the arms and sides use 40 grams to allow for better movement. The helium outer material is incredibly lightweight and uses ripstop for durability, and also has a DWR coating for protection against the weather. There are two zippered hand warmer pockets on the front of the jacket that offer plenty of storage, as well as a handy zippered chest pocket. The two-way zip will allow for easy adjustments, while the elastic cuffs and cinch cords on the hem will aid temperature control. You'll also find a comfortable and adjustable hood, which will continue the weather protection even further, and the whole jacket can be packed into one of its pockets for handy storage. The Compressor Hood Jacket is perfect for pack-away warmth.